Hello, Capricorn, here to deliver some soul vibrational messages. This is a general timeless energy reading by Soul Vibrations for the sign of Capricorn. Today I'll be using tarot, also oracle. This one is called The Little Reminders, the Law of Attraction. And I'll also be using pendulum to check on your chakras for you to confidently connect. So as the reminders, this is a general energy reading. Also, check your other placements to see if maybe, you resonate more, if you don't resonate with this message. Also, to everyone, I'm not one to reach out to you. I hope that if you are interested in a personal energy reading, that you would contact me instead. So the information will be listed in the description below. So with that said, let me continue with your reading. Excuse me, sorry. Okay, I get the Two of Cups, the Moon, and the Seven of Pentacles. I pre-shuffled your the deck and focused on your energy, Capricorn, meditating, primarily focusing on your mind, body, and spirit. So to cut time, I just got three and I spread them and I just put them there. So okay, so like I said, Two of Cups, the Moon, and the Seven of Pentacles. What I'm feeling here is a need to bring in connection in your spiritual self, in your physical self and form. There's a sense of maybe having to do shadow work, having to really go within to have more intuition within yourself. There's something about polarities here too, like coming together in some sort of like partnership, maybe with your two sides, your feminine, your masculine, meaning your patience and your passiveness, your active, your introspection, your external, your compassion, your assertion, your nurturing, your providing, intuition, your logic. It's like those polarities of feminine, masculine, the yin, the yang. But there's some sort of like fear here in regards to maybe what you're doing in this physical form that emotionally it's making you feel a little bit unstable. But I want to let you know that when I always see wings, for me, it's like we are protected. Like you're being reminded that you are protected by the divine, by spirit, by maybe your ancestors, by your higher beings that you believe in, in some shape or form. They're showing you the way. And even though the moon is here and the moon is very mysterious and there's hidden secrets and it's illusions, there's something very grounding to that. And so also I see here an eclipse. And so something during eclipse season, I feel like energy wants you to truly go and balance your polarities, right? Or at least understand them. Be very mindful with the seeds that you're planting or that you're harvesting. I guess not being mindful of what you're harvesting, but more like truly valuing them or truly assessing what you do have as of now, and seeing them for a more positive, because this one is very fear-based card. The moon it's a little bit of anxiety just because it's unknown. The moon comes in many cycles and in many ways, and eclipses bring in specifically a lot of changes, and change is never comfortable. So Capricorn, try to ground yourself in some shape or form. Pentacles speak to the earth element within ourselves. It's our material needs, it's our body, our finances. Cups speaks to our spirituality, our feelings, our emotions. So there's something here that you need to unite. Maybe these two, your emotions and your waters and your earth, and just bring them together and in some shape or form allow fears to be non-existent in a sense, right? Like try to take control over what you fear, and again, plant seeds of good intention. Like if something worries you, whether it's personal or it's exterior, again, we're in a crazy kind of new world now, right? So I get those fears where they can come on Capricorn, and we're want to really put in the work, and but in this sense, I think you need to really just focus on you. Don't allow those fears to take over. Fears, false evidence appearing real. So just make your own reality. Be very grounded in what you're seeing in front of you, and don't believe everything out there, and really try to balance your emotions and your health, specifically what you're eating, what you're listening to, what are you feeding to your soul, how you're feeding your body, your mind, your spirit. So I hope that this message resonates. I'm going to move forward to the universe. Again, another moon. The universe will show me the right path to reach my goal. The universe will show me the right path to take to reach my goal. So have confidence, pray, speak to your universe. Okay, sorry, I had to pause it really quickly. So yes, please trust the universe, your universe. What feels true to you, what feels right to you is true to you. So trust that. Trust in yourself more than anything, Capricorn. With that said, I will move on to your chakras. See where you need to place a little bit more attention to yourself. Keywords. Your auras. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Pendulum. Okay. So this is very interesting, you guys, because for most of the readings that I've been doing so far, it's been saying base chakra and crown chakra. And so there's something collectively speaking and, universally as of right now. And I'm thinking it's because of the time where we're in. We are entering eclipse season. Also, what's happening in the world out there, outside of ourselves, is very unstable. So it's essential that we truly ground ourselves, and we really truly are in connection with our bodies and our mind and our spirit. So speaking of that, base chakra is the color red, and it speaks to the connection in earth. So it's asking you to maybe be more outside, like touch soil, like plant, work on your garden, or take out weeds, or whatever you need to do that will put you outside. Like take your dogs for a walk, just be outside in nature, feel the air, for grounding, stability, focus on your balance, on trust, physical health, nourishment, strength, family, your roots, security, what makes you feel secure, your survival, prosperity. So wear the color red, eat a lot of like fruits and vegetables that are color red, things that will make you feel a little bit grounded and more grounded. Crown chakra speaks to the connection to the universe. Again, spirituality, awareness, consciousness, wisdom, meaning, inner joy, peace, wholeness. So what makes you feel that? Do more of what brings you those inspirations, those creativities, that peace within. Definitely be more in your own spirit. Like I said, speak to your ancestors, pray. I mean, do whatever you believe that is necessary, but there's a need for that right now. And so yeah, I hope that this message resonates, Capricorn. Thank you so much for being here, and I send you the best of vibes. Thank you. Ciao.